Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on the feature. Don't waste time. Open Settings and search for Screen Pinning or Pin Windows. Once found, enable it and set the Unpin method. Choose PIN, Pattern, or Biometric so you control exits. This step locks the interface to a single app, which prevents accidental navigation. Make sure your device is updated and you know the Unpin method, otherwise you'll get stuck. Once done, move to the app you want to lock and prepare to pin it in the next step. You now lock the active app. Open the app, then go to Overview or Recent Apps. Depending on your One UI version, tap the app icon or the small pin symbol on the card. Confirm that you want to pin. Once pinned, the system restricts the home and back navigation. This prevents accidental app switches. If you need to allow access to a feature, enable it before pinning. Make sure to test a quick unpin attempt so you know the exact button combo or authentication required. Finish by unpinning correctly. Press the button combo shown when you enabled pinning and authenticate with your PIN or biometric. If the device does not respond, force restart it. Hold power and volume for several seconds, then try again. If you still can't unpin, use a remote management tool like Find My Mobile to unlock or boot to safe mode to disable the feature. One key troubleshooting tip: always set a secure unpin method before relying on pinning. This prevents being locked out unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.